Has being overweight always been a cause of concern for you? Did you lose sleep over it, literally? Did you ever think that not getting enough sleep might be the reason behind your bulges? Many people grapple with losing weight. It has caused many weight loss supplements to crop up in the market. However, not all are effective. Most of them are just scams. Since you are here, you might have already heard of Resurge and might not be sure if it is the right product for you before pulling the plug. Well, in that case, you are going to get your answers in this video. We are going to provide you with an honest review. Being overweight and not being able to shed those extra pounds is more common than you know. According to studies by the World Health Organization, about 2.8 million are dying every year because of being overweight. Obesity can lead to serious health problems. Studies have shown that not getting enough sleep at night can be a roadblock to your success. Yes, you read it right. Research has shown that people who slept only 5 hours a day gained 2 pounds. Who would have thought staying awake late and not getting enough sleep is the reason behind your belly fat? Sleep deprivation causes you to feel hungrier. It is what Resurge weight loss supplement plans to target. It will not only improve your sleep but will also help you to lose weight. But the question is, can it help? Is the formula effective? Just keep watching our video to find out more about Resurge. It is a product you can try out without overthinking. Not only does it torch excess fat, but it also improves overall health. What is Resurge? Does it work? Resurge, the revolutionary weight loss supplement, has much more to offer than you can fathom. It is different from the other fat burn supplements you find in the market. As we said, Resurge offers its helping hand in attaining your weight loss goals but in a healthy way. It optimizes your body's fat-burning mechanism. It, in turn, props up fat melting and helps shed a few pounds. Improved body metabolism can also enhance your energy levels. Thus, this is an added benefit of using this supplement. The weight loss supplement will enable you to sleep better. When you get a good night's sleep, you don't gain excessive weight. But don't make the mistake of taking this as a replacement for sleeping pills. Besides, the supplement can also help in suppressing your food craving. Uncontrollable food cravings can cause you to gulp down unnecessary and high-calorie food. With a controlled appetite, you tend to eat what your body requires. Thus, several factors work together to help you lose weight faster. Resurge has used ingredients that improve sleep quality, boosts metabolism, and enhances immunity. How to use the Resurge weight loss supplement. Resurge weight loss supplement comes with a universal usage manual. You can easily get into the habit of taking it. Each bottle comes with 120 capsules. Take 4 pills with a glass of water before going to bed. Make sure that you take it every day without a miss. However, you should not exceed the recommended dosage unless advised by a healthcare practitioner. Click on the link below to visit official Resurge website.